Hello guys, welcome back to UFO Norway, or UFO. I'm just going to show you these strange lights in the horizon. I know, this is Oslo town, the town of Oslo, but there you have these, they are moving, and they're here every night. Some reason, and it's raining, of course. The day I got my phone back, it was snowing, just a little bit, and then it's been raining ever since. Yeah, it's Saturday today, so I'm waiting for 2 days. I'm so happy to have my phone back. Yay! It's so cool. It's a real good phone. It is. I just had, I don't know what it was wrong, but it certainly was dead, because I'm using the same charger now. Maybe I shouldn't, but I do. Yeah, I didn't buy a new one. Ooh, it's really cold. Yeah, I just wanted to say hello, maybe take a 360 video, to see this gray sky, very gray. Okay folks, have a nice day, evening, afternoon, brunch, morning, wherever you are. Love ya, cheers.